How can I link to other YouTube channels on my YouTube channel as a featured channel? I said the word channel way too much there. Hello, I'm Neil and I do a lot of experiments here on YouTube, and I have this YouTube channel, but I've just created a few other new YouTube channels and I want to link to those on my channels. I want them to appear like this as featured channels, and I found it really difficult to find where to link other YouTube channels to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. This is my YouTube Studio dashboard, and on the left hand side, if we click on these three lines, it expands the menu, and we want to go down to here, customization. This opens up a menu for customizing your channel. So at the top here we've got a channel trailer, and then you might be aware of this, but this is where you can put rows of videos for your YouTube channel page. I kind of like to think of them as bookshelves. It's not very intuitive, but this is how you link a featured channel. If we click on add section, and you get lots of options to add a section, but right at the bottom, that's where it's hidden, featured channels. Because this is going to appear on my channel page, it's asking me to think of a title, so I'm going to call it My Other Lovely Channels. I'll think of something better later. You can change this at any time. So let's find that travel channel that I've made. It's called Neil's Trains and Stops. And this search box has found the channel, even though there's an apostrophe in the channel name. That hasn't stopped it from tracking down the channel I'm looking for. You can link to your channel or other people's channels. I'm just being arrogant and selfish and linking to my channels. So we're going to click on this checkbox here, tick. And on the right hand side here, you can see that it has appeared in the list. My other channel is called Tightwad Dad. There it is. Wow, I found that really quickly. So we'll tick that box. If you can't find your channel by doing a search, I tried this. Just go to the channel that you want to link to, and at the top you can see in the URL it says youtube.com/channel, and then it's got this code here. It's like a series of letters and underscores and numbers. I'm going to highlight that. That's a unique URL name for the channel. This is what the channel's actually called, and I'm going to copy that, and if I paste that channel URL into the search box, you can see it's found the channel instantly. There is one exception to this. If, like this one, this is my IKEA Dad channel, I've not added any videos to this channel, and if I look up IKEA Dad, there are no matching results. Basically, it won't link to channels that don't have any videos on them yet. When you've found all the channels that you want to link to, just go down to done, and there they are. They appear as a little shelf on your channel homepage, but something more special than that happens. If I hit publish, and here is my lovely YouTube channel, if I scroll down, you can see these shelves mirror the sections in the customization menu, and there they are at the bottom, my other lovely channels. Yes. On the tabs at the top of your channel page, we have videos, playlists, community. If I hit channels, there they are, my other lovely channels, and you can just click on them to go to them directly. And there is my other lovely channel, Neil's Trains and Stops. Now the hope and the wish is, of course, that if you make this link to your other channels or to other people's channels, there'll be some kind of link in the algorithm, or at least in people's minds, that you are publicly linked to these channels. If you want to see if this has any effect on my channel, or maybe even have a look at some of my other YouTube experiments, why not hit the subscribe button? It'd be great to have you along for the ride. And right here, right now, is what YouTube thinks you should be watching next.